He doesn't.
All right.
They're bulging, yes or no? What? That's good.
What do they say about him?
They just like, oh my god, his music's terrible type of vibe. He's literally the next Harry Styles.
Huh?
I'm all ready. Guys, I've been so bad at vlogging. It's hard because there's like a lot of people around and some people don't want to be in videos, so I'm also filming on my phone for like short form videos. So sorry for neglecting you guys, but hopefully today I'll vlog more. I have some leftovers from yesterday. I made rice, green beans, and tofu. There's no microwave here, so I'm gonna steam up the plate inside this pot. Put a plate underneath. Hopefully that works. Ra-ta-ta-ta. Wow. Good morning. This is Drea.
Eating beans and garlic.
Guys, we were so gassy yesterday from my beans. I made beans with a bunch of garlic and we were both like farting like crazy.
Oh, she could hear my stomach from up the bunk.
Heat up pretty well. I'm gonna go to work, so I'm gonna finish this for lunch.
It's Thursday, right?
I don't know if you guys can see, but it's raining a lot now.
Small in there.
Yeah, and then we're gonna like mash it up. Maybe I'll bring another bowl and we can mash it. Where does the fertilizer go?
I think in the garden.
Whoa, babe! Tell me why there are feathers. Oh. think I grinded it up too well. Now we're taking out tomatoes and mushrooms from the dehydrator. Vlogger, say hi! Say hi to the vlog! I'm wanting a paper towel. Let's see if she likes it. If she likes it. Lunchtime. It warmed it up so nice.
Huh?
Okay, there's a bunch of pasta noodles. Thinking of making pasta for dinner. Probably eat it for breakfast tomorrow too. It's gonna be a very simple pasta. That's humongous.
Cheers.
Clink, clink.
Mmm. Trader Joe's. We should.
so good.
Can I help you cook?
Ooh, yeah. Are you
Chef.
free? Okay. Salt, pepper. Pasta. Like
Whoa!
cooking? Is it good? Yay.
Mmm. What is it?
It's just heavy cream and cheese.
Wow.
Oh, it smells similar. What?
What?
Cheers. Oh, wait. Wait, there's some spice here.
Mm.
You want to do how many chilies can you eat?
Okay.
Really?
Because I'm crazy.
You're so crazy.
Why not? I've never done it before. All of it.
Oh my god.
I swallowed it.
Oh, wait, was that one not that bad? Your stomach? She's gonna be so...
I want your Pepto-Bismol tonight. Another one?
Another one?
Szechuan. Where's that from?
Oh, that's China.
Oh my god, we have the whole world here.
Whoa!
We have Mexican. Polvo, I guess, is Mexican, right? Thai chili.
And Szechuan.
Chinese Szechuan. All over spices from the world. A theater technique. So they say Americans have lazy tongues. So you have to say it really clearly like this.
Yeah.
Say the donkey
Oh no! The donkey
was hungry
and
started to cry.
started to cry.
Now let's try it this way.
Yeah, my tongue is sore.
But do you feel like the words
Yeah.
are coming out a little bit
Easier.
easier and that your tongue
it's
is
like a
like...
tongue. Yeah. I sometimes do like tongue exercises, like push-ups.
I heard that was good for like...
You roll it.
Fluffy! Fluffy! We need cat in video. You're gonna be our guest star.
Share your thoughts on the farm, and who are your favorite volunteers? You're the best cat ever.
I guess lemon first, right?
Yeah.
They go... And they go lion. And then lemon.
You just keep going back and forth.
Lion. Lemon. Unique New York. Unique New York.
Unique.
New York. New York. You know you need unique New York.
You know you need unique. You know it.
exactly. So then we did 1 and 2. Exactly. 7, 8, 2, 8.
Oh my god, guys, there's sun in the kitchen. Look how beautiful. Oh my god, look how pretty. I just put my toast in the toaster oven and then I'm boiling some eggs. I need to be quick because I need to go to work. It is absolutely stunning. Just egg. Sit. Currently taking out the weeds from the garden. Look at this humongous one I picked. Oh yeah. Is this one ready?
Yeah. Does it come off easy? Is it squishy?
Yeah, a little bit.
That's fine.
We're currently processing peaches. These are all rotting, so we're peeling the skin and then dunking it in cold water, and then the skin comes out really easily. And then we're gonna save this part. Hola! A mí me gusta. Hi. How are you? Pets. You're so soft. You guys aren't allowed here. Come here. Bark, bark. Bark, bark. Bark, 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 bark. That way, that way. Go. Bark, 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 bark. This way, this way. You guys, come out. No. Oh, good. Beatrice. Yeah, Beatrice, get her out. Oh my God. I don't understand. There's a door right here. Chicken. Why are you so... Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Poor chicken, poor chicken, poor chicken. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Beatrice, sit. Sit. Chicken. Oh my God. Stay. Sit. Out. He's hiding. Goodbye, Vincent. Goodbye, Dominic. Bye, Rudy.
place it right here. Oh, are you lefty? Are you? See. Oh, okay. This one you hold it like a pencil. How do you say pencil? Lapis. Lapis. No move. Only this one.
Se mueve.
Pero no lo puedo mover de arriba. Okay. Ah, sí. And then yes, sí. And then only this. Yes, sí. Muy bien.
¡Bravo!
Oh! Muy bien.
Congratulations, teacher.
Es muy bien.